so I had to put spindles in there. And that was done over here on the drill press. And then I had to cut these guys at the exact angle to fit inside the hub. So that was that. I also added this string, which is pretty obvious. I needed that so that we could actuate the spinning wheel. This was quite the challenge. What I did is I said to my lovely one, do you have a piece of foam? This is what I used. This foam here, and I cut out that hole in the middle so that I could set the spinning wheel inside. Remember, this was all off of the unit, and this was set inside so I could make these as flush as possible horizontally. So that was that. That was a big challenge, my friends. And then I had to repin with dowels this unit here. Okay, so that's the wheel. We talked about the pedestal. And now we have this piece. We'll take that out. And that'll fall. So really the only piece that I'm making functional again is the wheel and the pedestal there. So I had to really think about this. So now we just screw this counterclockwise, and that comes out. This lifts up like so. Okay. And these posts here never really came apart. So they have this little piece of wood here that holds it in. So this is going to stay on this unit here, as well as all the legs. So it's really not that hard to figure out how to put it back together. What are the major tools I used? Once again, the drill press. That was to drill out all of the posts, spindles, and put a peg in there, dowel, and then go into there. That was not easy. Then we used the 14-inch bandsaw. We used that to cut out this and these two pieces here. One, and the other piece, which is lost. It's under here. Okay. Then we used the scroll saw. You can use the scroll saw, my friends, for those very intricate and less dangerous ways to use the tool you need to use. And so that's it, my friends. Thank you for watching SC Custom Designs. One of my favorite cards is right here. Thank you for watching. Shalom v'cha, tutzins, vasalami, tzaitin, arrivederci, au revoir. Shalom lakula, chavarim shali ba'aretz Yisrael. Please give us a thumbs up if you like what you see. And by all means, send me your antique spinning wheel so I can fix it. Right here in the shop of SC Custom Designs. Thank you. Stay safe. Subscribe. Thank you.